If you're considering Zilliant construction for your business, there are 12 important things you should know before making the purchase. Compared to other construction management software, Zilliant offers a unique set of features, but you'll want to weigh its strengths and weaknesses carefully. Stick around till the end to find out if it's truly the right fit for your needs. First off, Zilliant focuses heavily on providing solutions to optimize your pricing and revenue. This is perfect for construction companies that need to manage complex pricing models. It helps you forecast and model pricing strategies with data-driven insights, but if you're looking for more project-specific tools, other software like Procore may serve you better in that aspect. Next thing to consider, its user interface. Zilliant's design is straightforward and easy to navigate, which is a huge plus for teams that want to get up and running quickly. However, compared to some competitors like Buildertrend, which offers a more robust set of customization options, you may feel Zilliant lacks some flexibility in tailoring your dashboard to your exact needs. The third thing, integration. Zilliant integrates well with various ERP and CRM systems, which is key for smooth workflows. That said, if you're already using a highly specific set of tools, you might find its integration capabilities more limited than that of other platforms like CoConstruct, which offers a more extensive list of integrations. The fourth thing, its analytics. Zilliant provides solid analytics that can give you detailed insights into your operations, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions. But if you need deeper reporting and project-level insights, competitors like Procore or Buildertrend might offer more advanced analytics features. Next up, Zilliant Construction offers real-time collaboration tools that keep everyone on the same page. This is a great feature for teams, but if you're looking for extensive project management features, you may want to consider a competitor like Procore, which provides more specialized project tracking and reporting. The sixth thing, customer support. Zilliant offers solid customer support with a dedicated team ready to assist. That said, when compared to competitors like Buildertrend, which offers an extensive online knowledge base and community support, you might find Zilliant's support channels slightly limited. The seventh thing, its pricing structure. Zilliant is often considered cost-effective compared to some premium software like Procore. It offers scalable pricing based on your needs, but depending on your project size, other software might be a better value if you're looking for a broader set of features. The eighth thing, project scheduling. While Zilliant offers basic scheduling tools, it doesn't have the same in-depth project management features as Procore or Buildertrend, which allow you to schedule and manage timelines with more flexibility. Next thing, document management. Zilliant offers an easy way to manage documents in your projects, but if your construction projects involve heavy documentation, competitors like Buildertrend or CoConstruct might provide better document control options. The 10th thing, mobile accessibility. Zilliant does have mobile apps that allow you to stay connected with your team on the go, but the mobile experience is not as robust as some other competitors. If you need a more feature-rich mobile experience, you might want to explore other solutions like Buildertrend, which excels in this area. The 11th thing, customization. Zilliant offers some customization options, but it might not be as flexible as you'd like, especially when compared to other platforms like Procore or Buildertrend, which allow for deeper customization at the project level. Finally, the 12th thing, the learning curve. While Zilliant is relatively easy to learn, some users may find the training resources a bit sparse compared to platforms like Procore, which provide more comprehensive training and onboarding materials. In conclusion, Zilliant Construction is a solid choice for construction companies focused on pricing optimization and collaboration, with some limitations in project management and integrations. It's a good option, but if you're looking for a more feature-rich solution that can scale with your business needs, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.